In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto reply in Meta Business Suite. If you want to respond to incoming messages faster, setting up an auto reply is a simple and useful feature. It helps you acknowledge customers right away, even when you're not available to answer manually. In Meta Business Suite, this can be done in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through the process clearly. To begin, look over to the left sidebar in Meta Business Suite and click on Inbox. This is where all your messages and conversations are managed, so it's the starting point for anything related to message handling. If you manage messages from Facebook, Instagram, or connected accounts, this is the main area where everything comes together. Once you're inside the inbox section, find and click on Automations. This area lets you create message-based actions that happen automatically. It's especially helpful for businesses that want to stay responsive without needing to reply to every message immediately. Auto replies can make your page feel more active and professional, while also giving people quick confirmation that their message was received. After that, choose from the available templates. Meta Business Suite provides templates to make setup easier, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. These templates are designed for common use cases, such as instant replies or other automated message types. Take a moment to select the one that fits the kind of response you want to send. Choosing the right template is important because it determines how and when your auto reply will be triggered. Once you've selected the template you want to use, click on Save Changes. This final step applies the automation so your auto reply becomes active. If you skip saving, the setup won't be turned on, so make sure that button is clicked before you leave the page. And that's it. Your auto reply is now set up in Meta Business Suite. As a quick tip, after saving your changes, it's always a good idea to review the automation settings to make sure everything looks correct and matches the experience you want people to have when they message your business. This is a small setup, but it can make a big difference in how quickly and professionally your business responds online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your auto reply configured smoothly in Meta Business Suite.